Guys, it's Trevor with Embers Living. Today I'm dissecting the Dimplex Ignite Series. Our best-selling electric fireplace now has 4 models. Man, too bad it didn't have a 5th model, or I could do top 5. Anyways, there's 4 models. I'm drooling because when people bring too many products to the marketplace, it is my job. That's where I come in and explain the differences between them. That's what I'm best at. That's what we're doing today, breaking down all 4 Ignite series. That way you know at home which Ignite series is right for you. Let's go, baby. All right, don't forget guys, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, come to our showroom today. I think we have the best selection. We are the best electric fireplace showroom in the state of Colorado, and it's not close. I'm biased, I own the place, but that's what I think. Also, if you're nationwide, give us first stab at the business. It helps us out a ton. If you like what you're learning in these videos, you feel educated, I try not to make them very salesy. I just try to do more education, but we do sell these. So if you like what you see or like what you're learning, call us, text us, email us, give us first stab. It helps us out a lot. All right, so the Ignite series. We have basically 4 models. We only display 3, and I'll tell you why. I'll show you the differences. So we have the Ignite XL, the tried and true, probably 10-year-old unit. All right. This one right here is the Ignite Evolve, which is identical as far as footprint and exterior looks. There are some upgrades on the inside that I'll talk to you about. So there's the Ignite XL, the Ignite Evolve, we have the Ignite to Bold series, and we have the brand new Ignite Ultra. This is their Ultra Premium. I'm going to talk to you about the differences. I'll talk a little bit about price. Prices change all the time, so I don't like to spend a ton of time on pricing, but let's dig in. All right, so I changed the settings to this to basically what the original Ignite XL is. Now the regular Ignite XL is their most affordable option. So a 60-inch model is right around $3,000 at the time of this video. So if you're watching this video a year from now, it's probably gonna be a different price. $3,000, it's basically orange flame only, no speed changes on the flame, and then you can only adjust the color of the ember bed. You can change the color of the ember bed only, and it's all on remote control. It is 6 inches deep, so it can fit in a 2x6 framed wall. It has a 110 or 220 heater option. The Ignite series across the board, all 4 of them have this. The best heater in the industry, I would say, for electric fireplaces, the quietest and most powerful, and just the best heater. But that's gonna be across the board no matter which one you get. So that's basically the Ignite. They haven't changed that in 10 years. It's the same old unit. You're really only buying that, in my opinion, if you are on a tight budget, okay? So this one, which we have displayed here, is gonna be the Bold. Or no. See, I'm confusing myself. So if I'm confused, what do you think you are at home? This is not the Bold, this is the Evolve. So the Evolve comes in the exact same sizes, exact same specs, exact same dimensions as an Ignite. So coincidentally, if you're an old Ignite customer, you can pull your Ignite out and buy an Evolve, and it can pop right in there and you're good to go. What do you get when you get the Evolve? Well, first you can see I'm on my iPad here. All right, so the first thing we have is Wi-Fi. Second thing is we can adjust the flame speed. So there's a 5. I'm not crazy about 5. Let's go to 4. 3. We'll go to 2. And 1. I think 1's too slow. I honestly like 3 right in the middle. So we can upgrade the flame speed or change the flame speed, but then also we have the multicolor options. So we can go with just a blue flame if we want. We can go with all 3 colors, or we can go just blue and orange. But let's just say we put it on just blue, and then we're gonna take the media bed and turn that almost off. That's kind of cool, huh? It's just different. You can just play around with this a lot. Let's turn the media accent light off too. So there it is, kind of like that midnight tone. Let's turn that back on. Let's turn our flames fully loaded. I personally think the Evolve is a really good upgrade. It's only about $500 or so, but that's really it. You get the multicolor, you get the speed flame, and you get Wi-Fi controls. So that's actually quite a bit, I think, for the $500 upgrade you're paying for. And I think aesthetically it looks a lot better. You can sort of tone it to any house going on. Don't you think, Chris? It's just a lot more going on for the money.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, let's get over to the Bold. So the Bold has all the features we just talked about, basically everything the Evolve has, except in principle, it's a totally different designed box. What do I mean by that? Basically all the features the Evolve has, except it's 12 inches deep. So we have a deeper ember bed, which gives us the ability to put in bigger logs. The logs are gonna come standard. Logs are an upgrade on the Ignite and the Evolve. Once we get to the Bold, they become standard. And it is a taller glass, so it's a true built-in. So it's really frameless outside of this little bezel on the inside of the drywall, versus the Evolve has a little bit of a frame around it. So just a different aesthetic look. Also, once we go to the Evolve, again, same heater, same controls, same functionality. We can adjust the speed flame, adjust all of our colors. I think the top nightlight is more pronounced because the firebox is deeper. So it's a little bit brighter, shining down from the top. See when I turn that top nightlight down? You don't notice it as much on the Evolve, but it makes a big difference on the Bold. What's really cool with the Bold is we can start to couple together units. So I think it comes as big as 100. If that's not big enough for you, you can couple them together. We're probably doing that more in restaurants, that type of thing. But you can couple them together and make them as big as you want. All right, should we get to the Big Mama Ultra? And again, by the way, we're talking $700 increment apples to apples. So from the Evolve to the Bold, I think it's about $600 or $700 upgrade, you know, apples to apples on a 60 inch. So there's a little bit more of a jump once we go to that realm. Let's go to the Ultra. So the Ultra, again, functionality wise, identical to everything we talked about. And again, really more of a built-in option. Really, if you like that aesthetic built-in look, you're probably gonna wanna look at the Bold or the Ultra. This box is even deeper. So our other one's 12 inches. I think this is 14 inches, so our ember bed is even deeper. Logs come standard with this unit, and logs are glowing. So we have actual glowing logs, and we have sound. So we have glowing logs and sound with this unit. So those are two big upgrades, especially if you like the realistic look of logs. That one's really cool. Let's go to our Fire now. I wanted to show you something. So this is the only one that has sound. So if you like sound, this is probably what you want. What's really cool is, see, the logs turn purple. You can, now I don't think that looks good, but I put it in the video to show you. You can cycle through colors even on the logs. So we have log color, ember bed color, top light color, and then flames. They kind of tricked us here. They went backwards a little bit. Flame is only orange and yellow. So I have all three, or like there's orange, yellow, and less yellow. It's kind of weird, their little color wheel. But there are no like blue or purple options in the flame here. It's yellow or orange. Again, we can adjust the speed of the flame, but we can cycle through some flame colors. And you probably notice, let me get rid of these purple logs, they're driving me nuts. Let's go more red. That's more like a pinkish. Let's go over here. That's a deep red. Let's go more orange. There we go. I think that looks a little more realistic, don't you, Chris? Flame appearance, they changed the flame characteristics on this. It is bigger. The flame is definitely bigger than the Bold. Like if you look at them side by side, the flame is definitely more pronounced in the Ultra. Don't you think, Chris?
Yes.
Definitely more pronounced. Now, we posted a video of this last week, and some of the feedback people said is they thought the flame in the Ultra looked more fake than the Bold and the Evolve. I don't really know, honestly, which one I like. This is definitely more pronounced. So I would say if you're in a room that has a lot of reflection and a lot of natural light, you'll definitely see the flame more in this because it is bigger and brighter. But it is, it's almost more like, I hate to use this word because I don't want to make it sound this way, but almost like a little more stringy, if that makes sense. Don't you think, Chris?
Yeah.
Versus these flames are just like a little more chunky almost. Now, it's in the eye of the beholder which one looks more realistic. I don't think one's better than the other. I think it just depends what suits your eye. That's what's kind of cool about having 4 models, is between these 4 models, you should be able to find a fireplace for just about anybody. But if you love all the razzle dazzle and multicolor of the flame, this isn't for you. Although you can do it in the logs. So to break it down again, also too, about a $300–400 upgrade from the Bold. So this is not a huge upgrade from the Bold. So if you're already in the Bold price point and you really like this better, take a look at this, because you're not going to spend that much more. People are like, $300–400, but think about it. Like, these fireplaces get installed in the wall. They're stuck in that wall for a good 10–15 years. You're staring at it all the time. That difference of $300–400 over that lifespan of 15 years doesn't make a big difference, really. If you skimp out every time you sit down, you'd be like, man, that's just not what I wanted. Every time you got your bowl of popcorn, you're like, ah, shoot, why'd I do that? And then it's too late. You put your fancy stone around it, and you're done. And you're like, what? What am I doing? Don't be that guy. All right, let's give you a nutshell. Break it down in a nutshell. The Ignite XL, only buy that if you're strictly on a budget. It's basically the stripped down version of the Evolve. The Evolve is basically the Ignite XL, but updated to 2024. Very feature rich. Honestly, I think the Evolve is one of my favorite fireplaces that we sell. Even though the box is shallower and it's not frameless, with that flame being more forward, I think it has one of the brighter, like, better flames in the showroom. Don't you think, Chris?
I like it, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a really, really solid unit for the money. One of our best, I would say. Then if you want to upgrade to the clean face design, a little bit deeper firebox, basically the exact same thing as the Evolve, just as a true built-in model, then you want to go to the Bold. If you love your pretty logs, more realistic look, but in a linear style, brighter, yellower flames, more traditional look, I think what they're doing with the Ultra is really trying to give you a very traditional looking fireplace in a linear shape, if that makes sense. The most expensive though. There's a breakdown. Let me know in the comment section which one you guys like at home. And if you want to order any of these, let us know. We'll see you guys next time.